Alright guys, I'm here to show you how to open up the Xbox 360 Slim original hard drive casing. You've probably already seen the one on the internet, opening up the third party one, but this is actually the original Microsoft one. Microsoft sealed it, so you can't just get your fingers in there and rip it off. So what I did was I used a Stanley knife, and I literally just bit by bit just kept running along here, along the edge, until I've gone through. And you can see, well, I'll get the camera up here, you can see this is actually now going through. So once that bit's got through, it's pretty straightforward after then. I just got a larger knife, and just put it through, and I'm just gonna cut it more. And I don't even know what the inside of this is gonna look like, so oops, something came out then. Cut that away more. Yeah, this thing's you can't pull it off. I've tried. You need to cut away just at the seal, but it's pretty easy. You don't have to worry about cutting through any pieces of thing holding it in, because it's just sealed straight on. Seems to be. Just cut through that last bit, and there you go. Probably don't even need to take the whole thing off. So I'm sure you'll work out what you need to do from there, but yeah, you need to cut it. That's how it's got to be done. Good luck.